Welcome back to Crypto Kickstart, your go-to channel for all things crypto. Today, we're diving into the Bybit referral program and showing you how to maximize your rewards using the promo code KAKA. Stick around to find out how you can get amazing bonuses and benefits just by signing up and sharing this code. Let's get started. First things first, what is a Bybit promo code? Well, it's a unique code that you can share with your friends to invite them to join Bybit, one of the top crypto exchange platforms. When your friends sign up using your code, both you and your friend can earn some pretty sweet rewards. A Bybit promo code, like KAKA, is a fantastic way to get bonuses when you join Bybit. These bonuses can include trading fee discounts, deposit bonuses, and even cashback rewards. It's a win-win for everyone involved. Let's break it down step by step. Here's how you can use the promo code KAKA to start earning rewards. Step 1. Signing up. Head over to the Bybit website and register for a new account. During the sign-up process, make sure to enter the promo code KAKA to qualify for the bonuses. This code is crucial to unlock all the great rewards Bybit has to offer. Once you've signed up, the next step is KYC Verification. This involves uploading clear photos of your ID and a selfie. Bybit usually verifies your information pretty quickly, and you'll get an email once you're verified. All right, with your account verified, it's time to deposit some funds. You can add fiat currency or digital assets. For fiat, just go to Buy Crypto and select your payment method. You can use credit or debit cards, P2P trading, or even Google Pay and Apple Pay. If you're depositing crypto, simply go to Assets, select Deposit, and follow the instructions. Now, let's talk about the exciting part: earning rewards. When you use the promo code KAKA, you can get a welcome bonus of up to 1,530 USDT. Here's how it works. First, there's the deposit bonus. When you make a net deposit of at least 200 USDT, you'll receive a 5 USDT coupon and a mystery box worth 100 USDT. Next, we have the trading bonuses. When your trading volume reaches 500 USDT, you'll get a 5 USDT crypto voucher and another mystery box worth 500 USDT. And if you really go for it and reach a trading volume of 25,000 USDT, you'll get a 15 USDT voucher and a mystery box worth 1,000 USDT. To maximize your rewards, share your promo code KAKA with as many friends as possible. You can share it via social media, email, or even directly through the Bybit platform. The more friends you invite, the more you earn. Now, it's crucial to understand the terms and conditions. For example, your friend needs to complete the deposit task first, before the trading task. Also, make sure both of you use the platform legitimately. No bots or automated methods, as these can disqualify you from the promotion. Let's recap. Using the Bybit promo code KAKA, you can sign up, verify your account, deposit funds, and start trading to earn rewards. Don't forget to share your promo code with your friends to boost your earnings even more. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to Bybit, use the promo code KAKA, and start earning those bonuses. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more crypto tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching Crypto Kickstart, and happy trading. Until next time, keep your crypto game strong and your wallets even stronger. See you soon.